Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a super portable Bluetooth speaker from Tribit. Tribit is a company that we worked with in the past. They have really high quality audio products. So this is the Tribit PocketGo. It's a portable wireless speaker. We have the Tribit logo right here, and this is how the speaker itself looks. As you can see, it's got all the buttons on the top, speaker on the front, Tribit logo, and this hanger right here, so you can hang it down onto your belt, to your keys, whatever you want. We have some features right here on the front. We have about 20 hours of playtime. We have Tribit app. Basically, it's an app you can get either on Android or iPhone, and it will let you customize your Tribit compatible devices. For example, this speaker, so you can custom tune it. For example, the frequencies. If you want to listen to a podcast, maybe set it to podcast or music or whatever you want to do. We have 7 watt superior sound, so this speaker has about 7 watts of power, and it's drop proof, as they claim. I wouldn't recommend dropping it, but if you do, don't worry. They say it's drop proof, so it probably is. On the side of the box right here, we have extra features. So hands-free calling. Basically, of course, it's a Bluetooth speaker. It must have a microphone, so you don't actually need to be next to your phone to speak to someone when they call you. You can just use the speaker. We got the latest Bluetooth, which is Bluetooth 6.0, and we got stereo pairing. Basically, you can have 2 or more of these Tribit PocketGos, and they will basically sync together to create surround sound, basically like a 2.1, 2.0 to 3.0, whatever you want. Extra features on the other side: lightweight, TF card input. Basically what this means is that you can add your own SD card into the speaker, so you will have basically like a playlist of songs. You don't need to actually connect it to anything. You can play songs straight from the TF card, which I think is really cool. It's IP68 rated, dustproof and waterproof, which is really cool. And on the back right here we have some manufacturer's information, support. If you guys encounter any issues, make sure you reach to them at support@tribit.com. They'll be more than happy to assist you with any issue you might have. We have the model right here. The model is BTA68. We have an SKU, US importer, EU importer, Japan, and the manufacturer's information right here. Yeah, pretty much that's it with the box. So let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside. Then after that we will put it to the test. We're gonna connect it to our phone. Maybe we're gonna watch one of our videos, just the intro, so you guys can get an understanding on how it sounds like. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. So as always, we will start with the small stuff first. So we have a USB Type A to USB Type C charger cable. This is used to obviously charge the speaker. Whenever you're low, just plug this in. You can use your own charger, but it's very nice that they have included a charger. Most companies don't do that. We have an instruction manual. And as always, I suggest you give this a read before you use it. It will teach you everything you need to know about how to use it and what the speaker can do. So basically give this a read, and you will be able to use the speaker at its max potential. We have the speaker right here. This is how it looks on the front. We have this Velcro material, Tribit logo on the front, as I said before. The top, it's made out of some sort of high quality silicone, and same on the bottom. We have 4 silicone pads on the back of the speaker as well, so I think this is for grip, so once you put it on a desk it won't really go anywhere. Obviously it will vibrate, whatever, but it's nice to know that it won't go anywhere. On the top we have some button functions. So we have power on, we have Bluetooth. This is basically used to either connect it to Bluetooth to one or two devices, because this can connect to two devices simultaneously. And obviously if you hold it for I think 5 seconds and you have another one of those, you can pair them both together, as I said, the multi-pair function. We have a minus sign, plus sign, and O sign. Basically this is volume down, this is play, pause, and this is volume up. You can adjust everything on the go. You don't need to actually use your phone to adjust the volume, which I think is pretty cool. And on the side right here we have a sealed slot. So it's basically the same silicone material, but it's kind of like a seal, so water and dust doesn't go in. And here we have the USB Type-C slot, which is used for charging. And we have the SD card slot, which I said you can use it to have music on the go without pairing it to anything. You can just play music from that SD card, which I think it's really cool. And pretty much that's it. That's what you get inside the box. They were right, it's pretty lightweight and it feels really good quality. I think it's drop proof because it's got all this silicone around, and it's got round corners, so I don't think it will break very easy. Again, I don't recommend dropping it, but if you do, they got you covered. So yeah, basically that's it. Let's go ahead now and pair it to our phone and maybe listen to some intro music, and you guys will be able to make your own decision on how it sounds like. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so we got the speaker connected. If you use it for the first time, as you take it out of the box, basically all you have to do is turn it on and you will go into Bluetooth pairing mode. If it doesn't, press the Bluetooth button once and you will go into pairing mode. You will flash a white light. Open your Bluetooth settings on your device, select the Tribit PocketGo. It will ask you if you want to pair it. Just say yes, you will pair it, and after that it's paired. It will stay like that forever. You don't have to go through the pairing process ever again. Yeah, it literally took like 5 seconds to pair. Super easy. I have here my latest video on a keyboard, and I have set the speaker to the max volume, but if you press the minus, as you can see, the volume will go down. If you press the plus, the volume will go up on the phone as well, and that beep indicates that it's at its max level. So let's go ahead and hear my intro that I use for all the videos, and let's see how it sounds. Okay, so after opening the box, this is pretty... Right, so for something this tiny and 7 watt, it's super loud. I will definitely recommend this speaker. It looks great. Tribit makes high quality products. They have a lot of other products. You can check out their website. If you want to buy this, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.